have to be a number. It can be a variable. We're just assuming in this video that all of the variables are positive. So in this example, I have rad 12x plus rad 75x minus 2 rad 3x. So let's try to simplify them. Instead of 12, I can write 4 times 3 because 4 is the largest perfect square in 12. So that would be rad 4 times 3x. For 75, the largest perfect square in 75 is 25. So I can write it as rad 25 times 3x. And then the last one, I'm just going to keep it the same way because I cannot simplify it anymore. So this one, I'm going to break down the radicals. So I have rad 4 times rad 3x. And then for the second one, I have rad 25 times rad 3x. And the last one is the same. So as you can see, this one is a perfect square and this one is also a perfect square. I can rewrite them as 2 times rad 3x. And this is 5 rad 3x minus 2 rad 3x. So the light term here is rad 3x and is in all of them. So I have 2 of something plus 5 of something minus 2 of something. So 2 and 2 cancel out, so I just have 5 rad 3x. For the second one, I have 3 times rad 40a squared. And these are actually cube roots. So 3 cube root of 40a squared plus 4 cube root of 5a squared. So let's see what we can simplify. In the first one, I have 40a squared. I can simplify 40 by 8 times 5. So I have 3 cube root of 8 times 5a squared plus 40 times cube root of 5a squared. And then I can break this down to 2 radicals. So I have 3 times cube root of 8 times cube root of 5a squared plus 4 times cube root of 5a squared. Cube root of 8 is 2, so 2 times 3 is 6. I have 6 cube root of 5a squared plus 4 cube root of 5a squared. The like term here is cube root of 5a squared, and 6 of that plus 4 of that gives me 10 times 5a squared. I just forgot, this is 10 cube root of 5a squared. I have one more example here, rad y cubed plus 7 times rad y. Okay. So to simplify this, I can write it as rad y squared times y, and that one is the same thing. And then the index here is 2, so when I have a y squared and the exponent here is 2 and the index here is 2, for the variables we can just divide them, divide the power, the exponent by the index, and bring it out. So these two go evenly, so I just have y times rad y plus 7 times rad y. So as you can see, the coefficients here are y and 7. So y of something plus 7 of something. So we can just add the coefficients. So we get y plus 7 times rad y. Or you can just think of it as factor. Like if you factor rad y, so these two would come out. So y plus 7 times rad y. some more examples here for you. You can pause the video and try to do them, and then we'll go over it together. Alright, so for the first one, I have cube root of 24a plus cube root of 81a. So let's see how we can simplify them. So the 24, the largest cube root, the largest perfect cube in 24 is a. So if I divide 24 by a, I would get 3. So I can write it as cube root of 8 times 3a plus cube root of, in 81, the largest perfect cube is 27, so I can rewrite 81 as 27 times 3. So I would have 27 times 3a, and then I can rewrite them like this: cube root of a times cube root of 3a plus cube root of 27 times cube root of 3a. This one is a perfect cube root, so that will be 2 times cube root of 3a plus, this one is also a perfect cube, so this is 3 times cube root of 3a. This one, I missed the index. As you can see, I got my like terms, cube root of 3a in both of them. So 2 of something plus 3 of something gives me 5 cube root of 3a. Okay, so let's go over the second one. I just need to tell you that these were square roots, not cube roots. But 3 rad 8b plus rad 3b minus rad 50b. So I'm going to simplify them. For 8, the perfect square in 8 is 4. So I'm going to write it as 3 times 4 times 2b plus rad 3b minus, instead of 50, I can write 25 times 2 because 25 is the largest perfect square in 50. So 25 times 2b, and then I can break down the radicals. So I have, for here I have 3 times rad 4 times rad 2b plus rad 3b minus rad 25 times rad 2b. So this one is a perfect square, so that would be 2. So 2 times 3 is 6. So I have 6 rad 2b plus rad 3b. And here, 25 is also a perfect square, so that would be 5 minus 5 rad 2b. And as you can see, the like terms are only in this one and this one. So 6 rad 2b minus 5 rad 2b would be just rad 2b. I'm going to write it here. Plus rad 3b. Okay, so this is it for adding and subtracting radical expressions. Thank you for watching.